In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze and unfreeze rows or columns in Google Sheets. Whether you're working with large datasets or just trying to keep your headers visible as you scroll, this is an essential skill for anyone using Google Sheets. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Google Sheets file. Once you've got that open, you'll be using the menu at the top of the page. Click on the View menu. Now, when you hover over or click on the option that says Freeze, you'll notice that a side menu appears. This is where you can select the number of rows or columns you'd like to freeze. For instance, if you just want the top row to stay put as you scroll down, select the option for one row. The same goes for columns. You can freeze a single column or more, depending on your needs at the moment. Now let's talk about unfreezing rows or columns. This process is just as simple and follows a similar path. Again, start by clicking on the View menu. Hover over or click on Freeze. This time, you'll want to select No Rows or No Columns. Doing so will release them, allowing the sheet to scroll freely in any direction. For those of you looking to save even more time, there's a nifty shortcut worth mentioning. At the top left corner of your Google Sheets, you'll notice a small line that's surrounding the blank rectangle, which is found just to the left of the A column and above the number 1 row. Clicking and dragging this line allows you to quickly and easily freeze or unfreeze rows and columns. Simply drag the line down to the row you want to freeze up to, or across for columns. Once positioned, release the line and your data will freeze instantly. If at any point you want to unfreeze it, just drag the line back to its starting position, and voila! The data is now unfrozen and you can navigate the sheet as before. And there you have it. This simple but effective technique can make your navigation through Google Sheets much more efficient, keeping the most important data right in front of you whenever you need it. With these clear and quick methods, you'll be mastering your spreadsheets in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. That's it for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.